Well, hello my friends. So I've been working on some pretty big projects and they take a lot of time to film, produce, and the rest of it. So it's not like you can just like, boom, make an oil painting or whatever and then upload it. So I decided that I would do an acrylic pour tutorial today because I needed a break actually from oil painting. Sometimes doing my little tiny details and everything, it's like, oh, I just want to have the freedom of a blow dryer. So I'm going to do a Dutch pour today. But before I do that, I want to give a shout out to Wilson. I had asked everybody basically if they wanted to see any like fan art or anything like that, and she said that she would like to see Boris Karloff as Frankenstein's monster, a painting of that. Funnily enough, I have already done one. So, I promised her that I would show her in the next video, which is this video, the painting of Frankenstein's monster that I have done. So this is the painting of Boris Karloff as Frankenstein's monster that I did, and as you can see, it's a mixed media painting finished with oils, so it's actually kind of shiny. It reflects a lot of light, but this is the painting, so hey Willow. There you go. Alright, now, on to the good stuff. Well, that's good stuff too, actually. I really enjoy doing that painting. Monsters need love too, you know? Anyway, I'm Lydia Broderick, and welcome to my channel. So what I'm going to be doing is a split pour on this here wooden circle. Are you excited? I know I am. It was very Martha Stewartish. But it's going to be two of my favorite base colors, Prussian blue mixed with Pthalo turquoise and Amsterdam white. Who doesn't love that? And I'm going to put some colors in between, and then I'm going to blow with a blow dryer. So let's get started. Remarkably well, considering, you know, did it pretty quickly, and I kind of just flew by the seat of my pants when picking out these colors. I did not plan. I was like 5 minutes, like I'm gonna do this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, we're good. I just really wanted to do something that involved a freedom of movement as opposed to this. Just gonna shade a little bit here. So, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I love you guys, each and every one of you. I think you're all awesome. Please feel free to leave anything that you would like to see in the comments. If you'd like to see more fan art, if you'd like to see anything like that, I do have a really huge piece that I did put a preview of in my community page, just so if you want to get an idea of the big project that I've been working on, go there, check out that picture, tell me what you think, and I will see you next time. Bye!